Top-down learner. Today we are going to do is switch in control statement. Earlier we have done if else in control statement. Okay, now let us do switch. Okay, now start with the switch. Like the switch statement evaluates the expression mostly variable and compares it the value where the cases can be expression of the each case label. Okay guys, now let me explain this thing. It is like, suppose you don't want to do deal with like multiple if else. Okay, so for this we are having a switch case. Okay, for switch is like inside we have like this switch, we have to write switch, and inside this we have to write our choice or like the option we have choose, and then we are checking with it every case. Like suppose I have written here switch and my choice is like 1, and then I am having a case 2 first, then case 1 first. It will check this choice value with the thing written after the case. Like case 1 is like matching with this, so it will run case 1. Inside case 1 whatever thing is there, it runs that thing. So we use break for like ending that switch at there only. If I am not using break, it will run all the cases statement which are not having a break one by one. So we use break in this for like end the switch statement. Now let us see this example in Eclipse. Okay, we are taking one input from user. So let me remove this all part. What we have to do, we have to write a switch. Inside switch we have to write our choice, which is a, which we are taking from user, and that inside write like case. Okay guys, like you can see here we are writing a case 1. We are starting with this doesn't come, sorry for this. Okay, then we are having a, oh, this scanner class close should not be there. Kindly be aware of these brackets, like where you are closing. Then I'm writing like case 1, and inside case 1 I'm writing like system, like not system dot order println, like I'm writing giving value to b equals to 1. Okay, and then I'm doing a break. I will show you like without break how it works or runs without break also. Then I'm writing case 2, like b equals to 2, then break. Okay, in if else we are having a else part for like if is not working. For switch we are having also like if none of the cases are true, we are having a default. Okay, for default what you have to do is you have to write inside like default thing, like I'm writing b equals to 0, and default I am writing b equals to 0. You can see here in the slide like we are having a default part. Okay, now let me output this value like system dot out dot println b. Okay, b will tell us like which case is true. Now let me run this program. Now suppose I'm writing 2, so you can see b value output is 2, and I'm writing like 6, it will show 0 because 6 is not inside that case. So what I'm doing is I'm like directly printing b value inside this case only. Okay, let me run this. When I'm running this, like I'm writing like 2, so it is directly giving 2 as an output. Now what I'm doing, I'm commenting this part, break part. So what will happen, let us see. Suppose I'm writing 1, it is printing 1 and 2 both. Why? Because it is checking for case 1 also, like case 1 it is true, then it is directly moving inside the case 2. without checking any condition, because the flow is going on. First it will check the condition and then its flow is going on. Like suppose I'm using break at here, I'm not using break in case 2, so it will not print like 1, because it is like first it will check the condition with 1, like 1 condition is not true, then it will go to case 2, so it will not go to reverse for like 2 and 0. Why it is not printing 1? Because it is coming from here only. When a is checking the condition with this, like a is not equals to 1 and then a is equals to 2, then it is going here. Then after that it is not having a break, so it will run all the things whichever after case 2 is having, and which are not having a break also, and it will run that thing. Okay guys, now you are aware of this switch case. Switch case is basically used to remove the like so many if else. Suppose we are using a so many if else. Okay, like I will show you one thing also. Like I'm doing a case 3. I'm making a case 3. Suppose I'm using break at case 3 and not using break at 1 and 2. It will not print the 0 part, because it is breaking the switch part at the case 3. Like I'm writing 1, 1, then it is printing 1 2 3. It is not printing 0 because it is breaking at here. It is coming out from the switch case when we are using a break. It is like it is not going inside like any of things. Okay, so remember to use the break where you have to use break, and where your break is not used, because it is mostly given in the MCQ part. Suppose some cases are not having a break, and it will ask you to tell us the outputs. Like you will directly tell like a is 1, so it will give output as a 1, and it will not go to the further cases. It will go to the further cases if break is not there. Okay guys, now let us get back to the slide. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share this video for a better reach. If you are having any problem in switch case, you can ask in the comment. Okay guys, if you are having any problem in any of the videos in Java series, you can ask in the comment. Okay guys, thank you.